Hey guys, Carolina Gun Guy here. I have been to the range a couple times with my Ruger Security-9. I need to give it a good cleaning, so I figured I would show you how I remove the takedown pin on this thing, and there's a few different ways to do it, so stick around. Okay, so I'm going to show you 4 different ways to remove the takedown pin on the Ruger Security-9. First of all, safety first. I'm going to make sure that we have a safe gun, so I'm going to remove the empty magazine, open the slide. You can see there's no magazine in there. There is no round in the chamber. I'm going to close that up, and this gun does not have a decocker, so I will need to pull the trigger, and we are good to go. First way, and the manufacturer's suggested way, they say retract the slide, pry loose the takedown pin using a non-marring armorer tool or other flat, blunt tool. Basically, they recommend that you use a screwdriver of some sort to take that pin out. And that's what I'm going to do. This is a little tiny husky thing. I'm not worried about this scratching up my gun. So I'm going to show you how it works. You just pull that back a little bit. Gently stick it behind there. And pry it up. And the pin is out. And you can disassemble your gun now. Another way to do it, I'm not a huge fan of it, but I'm going to show you the way you can do it. It's basically the same thing where you have to line up that side, then you flip the gun over, you take whatever you have, your tool, and you punch out the pin from the other side. Pin pops out, you can now disassemble your gun and get on with cleaning it. Another way I've seen recommended, and this is not a way that I like to do it, but it's a way that you can do it if you want to, is that you can use a spent 9mm case to pry it out instead of a screwdriver. The theory being that this is brass instead of some kind of steel or something, and it may leave a marking on your gun, but it'll be easy to get off. So you can take it, pull it back, and this is really difficult to do on camera, so excuse me, but you take the end here, stick it behind the pin and pry it out. So the pin is out, and you can see, like I said, it does leave a bit of a mark on the slide here, but it usually kind of wipes away. So it's not that big a deal. I mean, I don't recommend this way at all. I don't like doing it, but some people swear by it, so I figured I would show you that method as well. Now the last way I'm going to show you is one of my favorites, and that is to use the magazine. It doesn't matter if it's full or empty, but the magazines have this little notch right here. You can see it better if I push that down, and you can slide that right in behind the takedown pin and pop it out. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this back here, get it lined up, and there's the notch. Just slide it right down, and that thing pops up. It's so easy, just like butter. Put it back in. Now I'm going to show you, I don't typically recommend that you have a full magazine on you when you're cleaning your gun, but just for the purposes of showing you that it works with a full magazine or empty, there's that little notch right there. Slide it right behind, and it pops out. I'll try to do it from a different angle. It's very difficult on camera to hold this thing and get behind the camera, but here we go. Take the magazine behind, pops right out. So those are 4 ways that I have found you can remove the takedown pin. And thanks for watching, guys. If you found anything useful, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you next time, and God bless you.